Plans to mount this old toolbox in the back of my Ranger to hold some tools on. It's just an old toolbox I had laying around. I'm gonna make a plate to go right there. 2 screws hold it down. I'm gonna weld some studs up, nut and bolt it from the top, powder coat it. See how it turns out. After you get the toolbox in place, you're going to take and pre-drill your set screws into the bracket that is bolted to the floor. In there, powder coating. This is the first time I've used this $10 oven I got off of the marketplace. I only bought it for powder coating.